Welcome back. Goa is not equipped to handle Ebola. Porvorim MLA Rohan Khanute claims it after he experienced himself. He says that there is no proper mechanism placed at the Dabolim Airport to screen passengers from Ebola, especially tourists travelling from affected countries.
The Ebola outbreak in West Africa was first reported in March 2014 and has rapidly become the deadliest occurrence of the disease since its discovery in 1976. The death toll has touched 9,268. The dreaded Ebola virus had arrived in India but diagnosed one. A 26-year-old Indian male travelling from Liberia to India was recently diagnosed with Ebola. He was kept under isolation to prevent spread of the virus. Recently, Porvorim MLA Rohan Khanute returned after his foreign trip. He complained that Dabolim Airport is not at all equipped to screen passengers or tourists from Ebola virus.
Goa, it is sad to say that we are still not equipped to handle the Ebola virus. We don't have any mechanism in place. Last week I was travelling from abroad and when I landed early morning, immigration formalities of the flight but rest of the formalities, when we came down after a long flight, it was sad to see that we had to be in a queue to fill up forms. Forms were filled up which were basically issued by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, which were related to screening of Ebola. The health department but it was just for the formality of filling the form. There was nothing more to it. After filling the form, there was a blank, blindly the stamp was given, this is the form.
Although there are no cases of Ebola virus disease in the country due to the worldwide risk of importation, public is advised to report immediately to the nearest health center if these symptoms are found. Symptoms of Ebola: fever, headache, body ache, vomiting, abdominal pain, diarrhea, rash, red eyes following travel into or from Ebola affected countries. With Bureau Inputs, Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Anti-cow slaughter activists have accused Goa police of being lethargic and not sensitive in the whistleblower's Sorla attack probe. Victim activist Hanuman Parab says even after 48 hours of incident, there is no arrest of the actual attackers. Hanuman Parab and animal lover Amrut Singh were attacked on Thursday night. They have given sketches of the attackers. Surprisingly, police are still not able to track the attackers.
Animal lover Amrut Singh and anti-cow slaughter activists were attacked by some unknown persons on Thursday at Sollagat. Parab alleged that there is no serious attempt and action from police.
पोलीस तपास ज्या आता हे आमकां जे स्पीडी जे अपेक्षित आसले ते अजून पर्यंत जावंक ना. आमी सरकार किंवा पोलीस यंत्रणे कडेन मागता की तांच्यांनी योग्य दिशेन हे करप. आमचे कडेन जे क्लूज आसले ते आमी तांकां दिले. अजून जे रियल जे खरे आमचेर अटॅक करपी जे मनीस आसले तांकां जो पर्यंत पोलीस दिनात तो पर्यंत आमी म्हणू शकनात की भितरल्यान कितें तरी निष्पन्न जाले. ती गाडी अजून एक सादी गाडी मेळना पुलिशेक. म्हणजे कितें यंत्रणा आसतली पळयात.
Bharat Swabiman Trust demands constitution of a special team to probe the attack.
बेळगांवचे बुचर्स जे आसात ते हितून इन्वॉल्वड आसात आनी हेका एक मोठें एंगल आसा आनी ताका लागून एकल्याच मनशाचेर तो तपास सोडच्या परस सरकारान एक तेचेर समिती स्थापन करून इमिजिएट एक्शन तेचेर कशी जातली आनी तपास काम फास्ट कशें जातलें हे पळोवपाची गरज आसा. 48 वरांच्या टायमा भितर जर सरकार कारवाई करिना जाल्यार हें आमी आंदोलन राज्यभर व्यापक करतले.
Earlier, police had arrested alleged assaulter Imran Habib Khan from Sankli. He is currently in police custody and will be produced before the court on Monday. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.